Come on.
That's good hopping. Let's see your hop. Okay, good job. Now let's go see if the Easter Bunny came.
I don't know. Let's see. Want to open the door? You.
So that was the Easter Bunny.
The green one is...
I think the green one's Jimmy, right?
Yeah.
I think the Easter Bunny knows that that's your favorite
Yeah, the
color.
red one is mine.
And the blue one is Patrick.
Color. Yeah.
No, so,
They can read. No.
that's Jimmy's.
Yeah, and that one's blue. And okay,
Yeah.
can I do? Amazing.
Oh, cars.
Super cool. That was Daddy. And these
Ooh, a Hershey bar. Sweet.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up to Peter Cottontail.
What do we say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you, Mr. Bunny. Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay.